You were selling a $39 product on Amazon. Then overnight, boom, your cost almost triples. Why? Because of a tariff you didn't see coming. A 125% import tax was just added to Chinese goods. That means your $39 headphone now need to be priced at $87.75. And here's the punchline. Over 70% of Amazon sellers import from China. Some are now facing 245% in total tariffs. So what now? Do you raise your price and lose customers? Do you go silent and hope this passes? Or do you make your move and turn this crisis into your Amazon comeback story? Let's talk. Let me be super clear. This isn't just a new tax. This is a reshaping of global e-commerce. Here's what just happened. A 125% tariff was added to Chinese imports on top of an existing 20% base. That means 145% import tax for most sellers. And some products like medical devices now hit 245% total. But the damage doesn't stop there. Remember the 800 loophole? That rule allowed sellers to avoid duties on a small shipment from China. Platforms like Temu, Shein, even small Amazon sellers used it to stay profitable. That loophole gone, and the impact is already here. These are real sellers, real brands, real pain. Now let's zoom out and look at the full picture. This isn't short term. This is the start of a long-term shift. And the most important thing is 80% of world's raw materials still come from China. So even if you switch factories, the dependency is still there. You can't just panic and pivot. You need a real plan. You need real strategy. To understand how bad this could get, you need to rewind the tape. 2018, Trump started the original China tariff war. 10% tariff added, sellers adjusted, margins shrunk, but the world moved on. 2020, COVID hits, global supply chains break, shipping costs skyrocket. Amazon storage fee goes up, sellers barely recover. 2023, China ramps up manufacturing again. Prices stabilize, brands rebuild. Then 2025, the bomb drops, plus 125% tariff announced almost overnight. De minimis loophole closed. Some sellers wake up to a 245% import tax. But here's the real danger, the trap. We call it the tariff trap. It's the emotional panic spiral that goes like this. Panic, you raise prices too fast. Your CTR drops, you lose buy box, sales crash, you cut ads. Organic rank collapses, your brand spirals out. And now add this. Delayed shipment, confused customers, new STS code, stockouts, inventory standard at the port. Your entire Amazon operations can go dark in weeks just because you reacted emotionally. This isn't fear-mongering, it's what we have seen with real brands. Sellers struck unsure if they can even restock. But here's the difference. Brands with a plan, they didn't freeze, they didn't freak out. They recalculated and they survived. And now we'll show you how. At Ecomclips, we have created a simple yet powerful framework to help Amazon sellers survive this storm and actually grow through it. We call it the Tariff survival formula. Now what does that mean? T, timing the market smartly. Don't be fast to panic. Be fast to act wisely. The best brands don't react immediately. They watch the data, listen to sourcing partners, and move when profits meets precision. So check tariff updates weekly. Don't rush to new suppliers without sample or verified logistics. Wait for the right time to raise prices, not the loudest time. A. Adaptable pricing models. Expert brands follow the step-ladder pricing strategy. Raise 5% was CTR. Raise again, monitor severe. Run fig poo or any kind of audience pool. Climb the ladder, don't jump off the cliff. R. Resilient sourcing system. You need sourcing backups, not just alternatives. China is still usable but only with DTP terms. Vietnam, India, perfect for test orders. Egypt, booming for paper and packaging. US, go-to for supplements and skincare. Don't build your business on a single factory or fragile line. I. Inventory intelligence. Inventory decisions are where you win or die. If you already have tariff-free stock, hold it for Q4. Use bonded warehouse to delay customs clearance. If cash is tight, go dark, not broke. It's better to lose 2 weeks of rank than 12 months of capitals. F. Flexible logistics. Your old supply chain might be useless now. Learn about STS codes. The right one can cut your tariff burden in half. Use Amazon Global Logistics for smoother tariff handling. Prepare 3PLs to receive partial batches, not full containers. Factor in delays, inspections, paperwork, always. F. Future-proof category expansion. This is your moment to shift to categories that thrive under pressure. Supplement, skincare, lightweight goods, apparel from Vietnam, debit credit card skins is still profitable even with 500% tariffs. You are not just surviving, you are rebuilding smarter. These 6 pillars, they are not optional anymore. They are your tariff shield. Because when everyone else is cutting prices, slashing ads, and praying, you'll be climbing. Here's the truth, the 2025 tariff crisis isn't just a problem, it's a filter that will separate the sellers who collapse from the brands that capitalize. So let's flip the script. You are not here to survive, you are here to win. Think like this, while others freeze, you forecast. While they sell out, you stock smart. While they complain in forums, you pivot in market. Let's talk winner. Sellers already in the US-made niches like supplements, they are laughing right now. Brands that stocked inventory before the hike, they are doubling profits in Q4. Creators who show transparency, share tariff updates, and build brand loyalty, they are earning trust and traffic. The key is mindset. Tariffs are not just policy, they are pressure. And pressure creates clarity and diamonds. So ask yourself, are you reacting or recalibrating? Are you surviving or shifting? In this new Amazon economy, there's no going back. So here's what to do. Right now, step 1, audit your supply chain. Know your tariff exposure, DTP or not. Step 2, pick your pivot, which means US manufacturing, bonded warehousing, price stabilizers, sourcing shift. Step 3, book a consultation for in-depth analysis and strategy. Click the link in the description or email us at info@ecomclips.com. At Ecomclips, we have helped 1,000+ brands survive the chaos, from compliance nightmares to FBA meltdowns. Tariffs, this is just another wave. Don't panic and play smart. You can survive it as well. I'm Nizam, and this is how we share actionable insights to help sellers like you. Signing off today. See you in the next video. Goodbye.